Hi everyone, that will be my first video that I do in English. First thing, this is not a tutorial. This is a video that I will make example solves on the 3x3 cube with the ZZ method. Okay, and the second thing. This is a video not for people who are doing ZZ method nowadays, and there are people they know how to do it. This is also a video for everyone. Okay, I don't have anything more to say, and we can just start it now. Okay, we started with first scramble. It's here, but the scramble I will put in the description below. Okay, in this scramble I see this one it's bad, this one is bad, 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 bad. No, this one is good. Sorry, and this one is bad. Okay, so in this way I've got these two edges wrong. This one it's wrong. This one it's okay, but I need to put one to have four but edges here. So this way I put this one down because it's one bad. Okay, and now I've got here four edges bad in the front, and I do this move for orienting the edges. So and now this one is okay, and okay. Now I see this one it's bad. So I put it probably here. I put this one here because it's one bad. Put it like this. This one here, it's also one bed, and the last one it's here. So yeah, we need to put it there without moving the front move. So I do like this. And now we have got the all four badges bad. I'm renting like this. Okay. So I know, well, one edge is bad if white or yellow are up or down, front or back. So yeah, if the yellow and white are in the left or in the right, I know it is bad. Okay. And it's also, and I also know for the blue one and green. So it's the blue one and green because I've got the blue one here in the front and green here in the back. So yeah, I know. It's the same thing with yellow and white. If I have got blue one up or down, it's a good edge. And if it's in the front or back, it's a good. So sorry. If I have got a blue one or a green one in the left or in the right, it's a bad edge. So it's this way in the ZZ method that I know. Okay, and now we have got all the edges solved now. So for complete this cross, I probably do like this. Okay, and now we can complete the cross now, like this. Okay, the first pair that I do is this one. So I probably do like this. put it there. The corner here and the edge, and I do like this. Okay. The next what I do is this corner and this edge, and I do this. So the good thing in this easy method that I like, if I don't need any rotation, and I don't have to do the F and B moves in this also. Yeah, only the left. Only the right, left, up, and down move. So yeah, I can do like this moves in the so the front and the back. No. Okay. The next edge, the next corner and edge that I do is this one. I do like this. So yeah, this one goes there. I do this. And now the last one, the corners here and the edge there. I do like this. Okay, and now we have got the crossover. This is the good way to do ZZ method. And now I do the curl. So yeah, I probably do the curl because I don't know it's ZBL anyway. So yeah, I do COLL in this way, curl. Okay, and now I see there is a U-perm. So instead to do this thing, I cancel the move and I do like this. Okay, this was the first example of that I showed. Or that I shown, so sorry. So yeah, we will make another one. Okay, this is Scramble. I see this one is good. So this edge are here down. So the white one. This one is okay. They are yellow. This one it's okay. This one is bad because green is here on the left. So if it's in the left or in the right, it's a bad edge. This one is okay. And this is a white one. It's in the front. This one is good. This is a bad one because there is a white one here in the front. This one is bad because there's a yellow one here in the right. It's a bad edge. This one also. This is a bad edge. The blue one is here on the left. Okay. This is good. Bad. Good. Bad. This is good. Bad. Okay. I've got here. No. I've got here a good one. No, sorry. I've got here a bad edge here and the other one here. I probably do this move. So yeah, I put it this one here. This is a bad edge because yeah, yellow's here on the left, and I probably do a D move for putting this edge here because it's the other one bad. The green one, it's other bad edge because it's here on the front. Okay, and I will probably oriented the edges like this. F move, and now we have got all the edges solved. It's pretty easy. So yeah, And for the last two one, it's there. These two. I probably do L prime, D2, and I put it with this there, U2. Okay, I've got this one here, this one there. Two bad edges because yeah, the blue one is here on the right, this one on the front. Okay, I do like this for orienting these two bad edges, like this. Okay, and now we have got all the edges. Okay, this one is good. This one is good. Okay, for the cross, I probably started like this. I put first the two adjacent edges like this, and before to complete the ear line, I put it like this way for putting the rest of the edges. Okay, and yeah, I see. Before I do like this for completing the cross, I see a F pair, so I put it away, and now I can put it down the edge. Yep. Okay, and now I do D2, completing all the edges good. Okay, and now I probably do this one first. I do it like this. Okay, I think I will do this corner and this edge, so like this. Now I see there's a F pair here solved. So yeah, I put it with this F pair like this. So yeah, the next one I want to do is this F to L pair. Sorry, yeah, like this. And now for the last one, it's pretty difficult, but I do like this. So yeah, put it in this way, and for solving the rest, I do like this. Okay, and now call, I do it like this. And here I do it like this. Good, fine. So just a moment. Can I do it another one? I think it will be the last one. Maybe, but we will see. Yeah. Okay, well, the last one maybe. This one it's good. This one is bad because yellow it's here on the left. Bad. So all these four edges are bad. This one it's good, and bad. So yeah, I think first I will do this edge. I put it there. This one bad, like this. And these two are bad. I put it like this. And now I've got here the four bad edges here. So I oriented the edges like this, just a F move. So and now these four edges are okay now. And now for the next bad edges, this one. I think only these two. Yep. Okay, I probably do like this. D prime move. Oh no, so sorry. This one is bad, and I probably do R2, so right 2. I put it this bad edge because it's white in the front. So yeah, this one it's bad. I put it like this, and now I can do the case if two edges are bad there. Yeah, I do it like this. Now all the edges are oriented now. Okay, 2 are solved now. I probably solve the cross like this. I see a T with F, I put it away. So and now I solve it. 2. The next ones I will do. So yeah, I will do this pair. So sorry, this corner, this edge. I do it like this. And now I think I will do this. I think, but maybe it's a good way to this this corner, this edge. I probably do like this. So yeah. Yeah, we shall solve it. On the half of the last one, I do it like this. COLO, call, like this. And PLO, it's a UFM. Okay, I think it's all to show about my 3x3 cube example solve with ZZ method. So yeah, the Rubik's cube. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I think you didn't understand anything that I have showed. So yeah, this was an example solve, not a tutorial. Yeah, I hope you liked the tutorial. And yeah, see you in the next time. Bye.